Hey there, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com, and we got a great question from the YouTube channel about our X70 mold protectant and how long does it last? Stay tuned. So X70 is designed to last about 20 years, okay? So that's giving you the short answer. They had also asked, does the X70, if you scrub it or clean it or anything like that, do you have to reapply it? If you think of X70 as though it's a paint or a primer, maybe that will help answer that question. So if you have a painted wall in your house and your kid comes along and puts their chocolate covered fingerprints all over the wall, and you take a wet sponge and you wipe the fingerprints off, do you have to repaint the wall? Typically not, because the paint is still there. Now, if you took a sander and you took the chocolate covered fingerprints off the wall, then you would have to repaint the wall, right? So if you're just using a mild cleaner or maybe even a wet sponge or something like that to wipe something off of the X70, it's not gonna be a problem at all. The other thing X70 does is it actually locks the wood and prevents moisture from being absorbed by the wood. So not only is it a mold protectant, but it's also a moisture protectant. So if you could picture it kind of like Thompson waterproofing the deck or something like that, that's kind of what you can think about. And the reason why it would last longer than a deck waterproofer is because the sun is beating down on the deck. Well, in the crawl space, there's no sun beating down on it, so it has a tendency to last longer. So most of the time you can figure on getting at least 20 years out of the Anabec product, the X70. So that was a great question. My name is Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and thanks for watching. See you later.